So hello everyone, this is Amit and welcome to our YouTube channel Study with Amit. So today I am here with this topic only, what we call it as output finding. So we are here will know few important things in this, and the program which it was written here will try to solve these programs today. As I think that if you have now we are able means now we are fully trained to solve these outputs, as because our two previous videos which are there on our channel, if you have seen that video, would surely help you to solve this sum or this output. So for that reason I am telling that if you have not watched the previous videos which are there on our channel, then do go and watch it, as because it is very important to know the basic knowledge of the thing. Then it is very easy to solve heavy numericals or heavy problems. By knowing the basic only, we develop our level to higher level. So for this reason I am telling that if you have not watched the previous videos, on that in that videos I have discussed about the basics of this output finding in increment and decrement operator, prefix, postfix. These all things we have discussed in our previous videos. So go and watch that. Without wasting our time, let's start with our video. So here we have value a is equal to 5. Now a is equal to 5 will what we'll do, the easy way I have told that we'll put the value above and we'll see that how it works. So plus plus a means 5 plus plus, value of 5 will increase by 1 and will print here 6. 6 will go for this also and will print here 6, and minus minus, the value of 6 will decrease and it will become 5. We have written here 5, but it is smaller because we are not using the value 5. We are just storing this for our next use. So here it is a minus minus. A minus minus is 5 minus minus, will print here 5 and value of 5 will decrease and it will become 4. Again we see here in our next operator, here it is prefix increment operator. So first the value of 4 will increase by 1, so the value of a will be 5. Value of a will be 5. Put this value, we'll write s is equal to 6 plus 6 minus 5 plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 cancel, 6, 6, 12, answer. We get our answer 12. You also check it, as if there is some mistake there. So you may find and you may write it in our comment. As of now I find that this is correct. So next, s is equal to a minus, means first I've taught this because for this type of sums it is very necessary to know that how to use the value. After this, in our next video will what we say, will merge few operators like mod, plus, minus, multiplication, division, and many different types of less than, more than, less than, and many different operators will include in this only, and will know that how to solve the output. And that's the thing, the simple output does not come, and with this few what we say operators which are very means which are of higher level. So for that reason these programs are important to know. From the basic we'll know, if our basic is clear, then we can do these programs very easily. So for this we'll print value of A equal to minus A minus minus. Means we'll print 2 but the minus value will be 1. Means we will print it 2 but the value of A will be 1 for next. Again we print plus 1 and plus A means 1 plus 1, 2. 2 to cancel. 2 plus 1, 3. 3. Here we get our answer 3. So copy this. These two are very important. This is our next program. This is very good program. The reason of taking this is because to know that in this there are every type of what we say increment, decrement, postfix, prefix. Here we can see prefix, increment. Here postfix, increment, prefix, decrement, postfix, decrement. So for this I have no questions, but generally like this only we are solving this and we'll find the answer of this S. So we start S is equal to, so we start S is equal to plus A means value of 9 will increase by 1 and it will become 10. 10 plus A plus means 9 plus 1. Here it will be 10 and it will increase by 1 and it will become 11. So here value of A becomes 11. After this we have minus A means value of A will first decrease by 1 means it will print 10. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10 and again here A minus means 10 minus, it will print 10 and after this if we had few more variables or what we say the operators to perform some task, then we would use the value of decreased 10 means value of 9. So here we'll print the value of 10 as it is. So all the symbols are plus. Here you see that we have increased, decreased, the value has also changed but we are getting 10 only. So answer of this will become 40. These type of sums are very necessary for us to do. These type of sums are very necessary to do because these teaches us that how to execute the value. In this you can see that there is nothing out of this. Here I have used plus a minus a plus again plus minus a and a minus here. And one of the important thing that I would tell you that here if it is minus, if here we have the value minus, then generally we don't see it and that's the reason for our error and we don't put here minus and without putting this we solve it and get a wrong answer. So for that we have to be careful for that and we would just see that where which value is put where and if it is minus then we'll cut this and our value will become 20. So these things matters. So this is the reason I am telling you that do practice this as these are very important for your board exams too. So this is the thing, copy this down. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends. So thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.